Hello everyone, this video is an introduction to Python string. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed within either single quotes or double quotes. It is used to represent textual data. Let's begin with the concept of variables. In Python, variables are containers used to store data. We can create a variable and assign a text value using the assignment operator equal. For example, we can create 3 variables to hold different text values. Message 1, it's equal to single quotes, welcome to the Python tutorial. And then message 2 is equal, double quotes. Today is, for example, 11/11/11/11. And then we can compare with single quotes and double quotes. We define a variable message 3 as equal to single quotes double quotes. Today is 22/22/22/22. Once we have created these variables, we can use the print function to display their values. Print message 1. Print message 2. Print message 3. And then we can run the Jupyter Notebook to see the result. As you can see here, if we use single quotes to define the text contents, the inner double quotes will automatically become part of the content. In Python, the concatenation operator plus allows us to combine strings. We can use it to create a new string called message add is equal to adding message 1 and message 2 together. And let's output the result. It's better to have a comma between the tutorial and today. So we can add a comma and a space between message 1 and message 2, and then we run again. And now we get the string in the right order. To determine the type of a variable, we can use the type function. Type message add, and then run. It returns that the type of this variable is string. If you want to know the length of a string, we can use length function. Length message add and then run. The value returned is 47. So totally, we have 47 characters in this string. Assessing individual characters within a string is achieved using square brackets and the characters index. In Python, indexing starts from 0. For example, message add brackets 2, and then we run it, and then we get that shows us that the L character is located at the second position of the string message add. Now we try :5 and run. It will return the characters from 0 to 5. And then we also can try from 8 to the end using :8, and then run. We get the rest of the characters. To count how many times the string appears within another string, we can use the count function. Let's try. Message add point count bracket :1. It returns that 8 times character 1 in the string. And we can also check like Java. Now we should get 0 because there is no Java in the string. And if we want to find the index position of a character or substring within the string, we can use the find function. For example, message add point, find quotes, and then Python, we can find the first index of characters in Python. It returns 11, so the first character P is at the location of 11 in string message add. Then we try Java. It should return -1s because we don't have any Java in the string. Another really useful function is replace function, and we can easily replace a part of string with another string. For example, we define a new string, which is message replace is equal to message add point function replace quotes 11 11 11 11 replace with 33 33 33 33, and then we print this out. Now you see the 1 is already replaced by 3. If you want to split the string to substring based on a specific pattern, we can use the display function. In this case, we will split message add into multiple substrings using a comma. For example, message add point split function comma, and then we should get 2 parts, which is, the first part is the string before comma, and the second part is the string after comma. Python fstring provides a powerful way to format strings. We can include variables or expressions within curly brackets and prefix the string with the letter F. Now we define message F is equal to F quotes, first string :message 1, then a comma, second string, and :message 2. With this method, we will get a new string with the format that we defined. We can print this out. So first string and then welcome to the Python tutorial. This is message 1. And today is 11/11/11/11. This is message 2. So this is the way how we can change the format of the string as we want. I hope this video helped you understand the basic operation of string in Python. Thank you all for your attention and happy coding.